Here's another great kit from Orion, who make great things. But this is a thread repair kit. Everything you need, all in one place. The correct drills, the taps, the wire drivers, everything for each size. And see, here are the sizes we have in SAE, and here's our metric sizes we have down here. And in the old days, putting in new threads was a major deal, it seemed like to me. And these days, buying all the pieces for just one size, it's expensive. And here it is, everything you need, everything you're probably going to need, all in one kit. I work on old cars, and so I've had to put in new threads periodically. Years ago, I had to do some head bolts that I pulled out, and I've also had to do some spark plugs in the old days. But this is it. This is a great kit, and it's got a bunch of the inserts for each of the sizes. So you'll never need anything again after this. Very, very, very cool. And I wish I had one to demo right now, but you can watch many a video. Also, another cool Orion thing, the metric handles are all in red, and the SAE tools are in blue. Good instructions, and this company has great customer service, so highly recommend. Cheers.